Hi guys, how are you all? Hope you all are doing very well. And today I'm with the excellent recipe, a refreshing summer drink, weight loss remedy, cooling, packed with lots of vegetables, lots of vitamins and minerals, packed with all sort of goodness, and melt away the total body fat in the tissues and deposited fat in the blood vessels, and more importantly, melt all the stubborn fat in your belly. So a magic detox drink made with simple natural ingredients in 5 minutes for a fast belly fat melting and fast action weight loss drink. So for this fast action belly fat loss drink, it's a detox summer drink. I'm going to make different types of drinks into 5 glasses. So I've got 5 glasses lined up here. So I'm going to make a different type of 5 detox drink today, and this is extremely simple. Simple drink with made with simple ingredients. It is extremely important to know the nutritional values of the ingredients that I'm using today to make this fat loss drink. So let's look at this. Extremely simple and very little time needed. No need to cook, less effort with the simple ingredients. Ingredients work for at least 5 minutes. Take a glass of your choice in the morning on an empty stomach, and 1 glass of your choice in the mid-afternoon when your tummy is almost empty or half full. Make sure you leave at least 30 minutes for this magic drink to work and do the fat melting job before you have any type of meal. I got 1 kiwi fruit cut into round slices, and I got 2 long pieces of cinnamon. This is the natural cinnamon from Sri Lanka. So Sri Lankan cinnamon is the best cinnamon. And I've got 2 lime cut into round slices, and about 3 or 4 strawberries cut into slices, and ginger, very small pieces, cut them into. And the magic ingredient is the mint plant. So I've got, I'm going to use the mint leaf from this plant. I bought mint plant, so after using this, I'm going to put that, plant that into the pot and then leave it in the kitchen windowsill so that I can use them whenever I wanted to. In the morning, just pick 1 or 2 leaves and then bung them in the water, as I'm going to show you right now. So guys, if you're going to buy the mint, please buy a mint plant. They don't cost much, and you can plant them at home as well, so it's easy for you to use for the next use. So I've got 5 glasses lined here and jar of water. So let's start making this simple drink. So now I'm going to get pieces of mint leaf from this plant, which I'm going to use it into my drink. So I'm going to get small leaves. So these are going to be used in my drink. So I'm cutting it carefully so I'm not damaging the plant, since I'm going to plant them in my windowsill with a pot. I'm just going to give it a rinse with this. So here is our first drink that I'm going to make, which is going to be mint and lime. So I'm going to use 3 pieces 3 pieces of lime. Just bung them in however you want in the glass, and 3 mint leaves. I'm just gonna crush it up with my hand so like it release the flavor. And I'm gonna put them in the glass just like that. Maybe one more leaf in there, and the water just goes in there. Just like that. That is our mint and lime detox juice. And make sure you leave it at least 5 minutes. Half an hour is better, so that water absorbs all the nutrients from the lemon, from the lime and the mint leaf. So let's go to the second one. The second drink will be mint, cinnamon and lime. So I'm going to put about 3 mint leaf, just bung them in however you want into this glass. Maybe one more, because mint is very healthy, so you will see in my nutrition chart. So there we are. So mint, cinnamon and lime. So I'm going to put 2 pieces of lime in there, actually 3 pieces, and then this cinnamon goes inside, and then just the water. So there you go. This is the mint, lime and cinnamon drink. And the next one, this is extremely simple to make, and yet it's very healthy and weight loss drink, and it really works fast. And then the next one I'm going to make mint, strawberry and lime. So there you go, about 2 lime, and then I'm going to put strawberries there, just bung them in. Just put all the strawberries. In there. And then I'm going to put just one, maybe one more leaf of mint, and then the water goes in there. And then the next drink that I'm going to make is going to be the mint. There we are. It's going to be the mint, ginger and lime. So 2 lime, ginger, all the ginger that I made. So I'm just going to bung them in there. Everything goes in there. So I got the lime, the ginger, and then of course we can't miss the mint out, can we? So I'm just going to put just a whole thing, but make sure you eat everything in there just before. So the water goes in. And then the next drink I'm going to make mint, kiwi and lime. So I'm going to bung all the kiwis in there. All the kiwis goes there. And then 2 leaves of mint, and then I'm gonna put 2 pieces, maybe just 1 is enough, and then I'm going to put the water, fill the water again, just like I'm doing with the others. So here is the amazing weight loss, belly fat loss detox summer drink is ready, made in very simple ingredient. So this is the mint and lime water, and then this is mint, lime and cinnamon stick, just that stick there. You can see the mint leaf and the lime inside, and this one is mint, strawberry and lime inside, and then this one mint, lime and ginger. You can see them, the ginger is floating, and then this one is the lime, kiwi and mint. Now I'm adding mint and lime to every single of the juice, and I'm putting different ingredient for the other glasses to make a different style, and then the different taste and the different variety of nutritional values in the ingredients. So this is a magic detox drink, and it's extremely simple and very little time needed. No need to cook and very less effort with this simple ingredient. You can make it in the morning, let the ingredients work for at least 5 minutes, so leave them sit like this. But if you leave it for half an hour is much better, so the water will absorb all the good nutrients from the recipe. And take 1 glass of your choice in the morning on an empty stomach, and 1 glass of your choice in the mid-afternoon when your tummy is almost empty or you are half full. Make sure you leave at least 30 minutes for this magic drink to work and do the fat melting job before having any meal. So this is extremely simple, you've seen it, so it only takes 5 minutes, and yeah, it is extremely goodness in the drink, and it's very simple and it works just like magic. So my magic fat loss drink has been sitting there for about 10 minutes now. So the water is absorbed really nicely, all the nutrients and goodness from these fruits and mint leaf and lime and ginger and everything. So it's going to attack those fat in your belly. So please give it a try and see the magical change in your body within days. Spare only 5 minutes of your day and prepare this drink, fast action fat melter drink. So no excuses like I don't have time, I'm working and all this. It only takes 5 minutes, so no excuses. Just pick these simple ingredients from your shopping every week, and then just invest 5 minutes of your time for a better healthy life and fast action total fat loss and the stubborn belly fat loss. Achieve your dream body quickly and live better with happiness this summer and forever. So I'm sure you will be very happy with these results. So guys, achieve your dream body this summer with this fast action drink. So if you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel so that I know you guys need more of my recipe. And hit that bell button so that you will be the first one to be notified my future videos, so you won't miss any of mine. So that will be there. And don't forget to share with your friends, guys, so that other people can also watch this video and benefit from it, so it will reach other people as well. I'll see you with another exciting video very soon, and until then, bye bye.